Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about physical changes and the states of matter. First, let's look at the names of some physical changes. For the first question, state the names for the following physical changes. The change from liquid to solid. Change from liquid to solid is called freezing. When liquid turns into a gas at a specific temperature, this is called boiling. Remember that if he didn't mention precise temperature, we can say evaporation. Change from liquid to gas at any temperature is called evaporation, but at precise temperature, specific temperature, is called boiling. And the change from gas to liquid is called condensation. Now, let's look at the table, this table, with melting and boiling points for three substances, ethanol, methane, and mercury. The question says, the melting and boiling points of three pure substances are given in table. All three substances have negative values for their melting point. Which of them has the lowest melting temperature? Remember that lowest melting temperature is the highest negative one. This means what? This means that methane with negative 182 is considered as the one with the lowest melting point. Methane with minus 182 is considered as the one with the lowest melting point. Remember to be careful with negative numbers. Temperature of minus 150 Celsius is lower than temperature of minus 100 Celsius. Next question. Which two substances are liquid at room temperature? And explain your answer. Room temperature is considered as about 25. 25 is in between melting and boiling points of ethanol and mercury. So the answer will be ethanol and mercury. He mentioned explain your answer. So you can say that room temperature is in between melting point and boiling point of both of them. Room temperature is in between melting point and boiling point of both of them. Next question. Which effect does the presence of an impurity have on freezing point of a liquid? Remember that adding impurity, adding salt to water, for example, lowers freezing point. As we mentioned before, freezing point change to, let's say, -2, -3, and so on. Next question. Put these three liquids in order of volatility, with the most volatile first. Water, boiling point 100 degrees Celsius, ethanoic acid, boiling point 128, and ethanol, boiling point 78 degrees Celsius. He wants us to arrange these three liquids. Most volatile first. Most volatile first, we choose the one with the lowest boiling point. Lowest value for boiling point is ethanol, so ethanol is considered as the most volatile, then water, then ethanoic acid. ethanoic acid is considered as the least volatile liquid. Now let's talk about predicting a physical state, and we mentioned this before. The state of substance, any substance at a given temperature, can be predicted if its melting and boiling points are known. This table summarizes how to work this out. If the given temperature is lower than melting point of substance, state will be solid. If the given temperature is between melting and boiling point, the substance will be liquid. If the given temperature higher than boiling point, the substance will be gas. Be careful with temperature below zero. Remember that minus 100 degrees Celsius is higher temperature than minus 150 Celsius. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and even leave a comment with your question if you have any question related to this topic, states of matter. See you later. Goodbye.